In this tutorial we're going to look at how to find an e-book using the library website. So you go to the library website by going to library.brooklands.ac.uk, and across the top of the screen you'll see a choice of options. The option we want is the e-library, so click on the e-library and you'll find a list of items appear in alphabetical order. So scroll down until you find ebrary. You click on ebrary and here you have the page which gives you access to all the ebooks found within this database. Now, top left hand side you'll find the search box where I'm going to do a search for books on autism. So type in autism and press search. A number of books should appear. Now they are actually in relevance order, which is good. There are other options that you could choose, but relevance order will give you the most useful items. So I'm going to scroll down some of the titles that appear, all relevant. I'm just going to go a little bit further down, and I like this one here because I want an introduction, and it's called Understanding Autism Spectrum Disorders Frequently Asked Questions, so I'm going to go for this one. Now an e-book is exactly the same as a physical book but in electronic format, so you'll see the chapter headings here and an arrow here which will allow you to go forwards and backwards just as though you were flicking through the pages of a normal book. So here's the title, and what you can also do is type in a word if you're looking for something specific within the book. And what I'm going to do is search for rubella. I'm interested to know whether an illness might have any effect, might be a possible cause of autism. I'm going to search and see if anything appears. Now these little bars here, these ranking bars, tell you whether there's anything relevant within the chapter. The longer the bar, the more relevant the chapter. In fact, there's only one chapter, the causes chapter, which appears to mention rubella. So I'm going to select this chapter, and here we are in the chapter. We need to use the arrow button to scroll through, and what you'll find is if rubella is mentioned, which we expect it to be mentioned, it will be highlighted. So here we are, the first mention, and as we scroll through the pages, every time rubella is mentioned, it will be highlighted in the same way. So this is how you find a book in ebrary. If you want to keep this book for future reference, then if you've gone into the system through using your Athens password, and we have another tutorial that explains all about how to get your Athens password and so on, but having done that, then you can go into your bookshelf area and save this book, and again we have another tutorial which will show you how to do that. But meanwhile, here you have access to a whole range of resources which you can use for your studies. Thank you.